Okay, we're going to talk about reflection. A reflection, think about just like if you see yourself in the mirror, that's your reflection. So you can reflect either over the x-axis. See, this triangle flips over the x-axis, or you can go over the y-axis. Now when you take over the x-axis, your y-coordinates is multiplied by 1. Y-axis, x-coordinates are multiplied by 1. So let's try an example. They want us to describe the reflection over the x-axis or the y-axis. So x-axis, okay, so actually, I'm going to change it a little bit. I'm going to do that. So we're going to take this and flip it over the x-axis. So it goes from a, -3, 5. And remember, when it's the x-axis, the y is multiplied by -1, so x stays the same, and that becomes -5. Y-axis, you have a, -3, 5, and that's going to become, so it's the y-axis, so x is multiplied by -1, so it'd be -3 times -1 is +3, and then the 5 stays the same. Okay, we've graphed ABC. They want it over the x-axis, so you know it's going down here. X-axis, we multiply the y by -1, and the x stays the same. So x is going to stay the same. 2 becomes -2. And C, 6, and then 2 becomes -2. So we go over 5, down 1. That's A. 1, -2. That's the new B. And then C is 6, -2. And we flipped it over the x-axis. Oh, wait, 6, -2. That's C. Sorry. So just a reminder, when your reflections x-axis, you multiply y by -1. Y-axis, you multiply x by -1. And that's how you do reflection.